Equation of motion by graphical method. The motion of a body moving with uniform acceleration can be described with the help of three equations called equation of motion. The equation of motion are v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Here u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, and a is the acceleration, time is time, and s is the distance traveled. Equation for velocity time relation, that is first equation by graphical method. V is equal to u plus at. Consider a velocity time graph for a body moving with a uniform acceleration small a. The initial velocity is u at a and the final velocity is v at b in time small t. Perpendicular lines BC and BE are drawn from point B to the time and velocity axis so that the initial velocity is OA and the final velocity is BC and the time interval is OC. Draw AD parallel to OC. We observe that BC is equal to BD plus DC, which is equal to BD plus OA. Substituting BC, which is equal to final velocity capital V, and OA, which is equal to U, we get V is equal to BD plus U, or BD is equal to V minus U after rearranging it. Then we know that acceleration, which is equal to change in velocity upon time. So we put that value. A is equal to BD by AD, which is equal to BD upon OC, or A is equal to V minus U upon T. So V minus U is equal to AT, or we can write V is equal to U plus AT, which is the first equation of motion. Equation for position time relation, that is the second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Consider a velocity time graph for a body moving with uniform acceleration small a travel a distance s in time t. The distance traveled by the body between the point A and B is the area OABC. S is equal to area OABC, which is a trapezium, which is equal to area of rectangle OABC plus area of triangle ABD, which can be solved that OA into OC plus half AD into BD. Substituting OA, which is equal to U, OC is equal to AD, that is T, and BD is equal to V minus U, which is equal to AT. We get S is equal to U into T plus half T into AT. Substituting or rearranging these values, we get S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Equation for position velocity relation, that is the third equation of motion. 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Consider a velocity time graph for a body moving with uniform acceleration a travel a distance s in time small t. The distance traveled by the body between the point A and B is the area OABC, which is a trapezium. So S is equal to area of trapezium OABC. S is equal to OA plus BC into OC upon 2. Substituting OA is equal to U, BC is equal to V, and OC is equal to T. So we get S is equal to U plus V into T upon 2. From the velocity time relation, we get T is equal to V minus U upon A. So substituting the value of T in equation, so we get that S is equal to V plus U into V minus U upon 2A. We know that V square minus U square is equal to V plus V U into V minus U. So substituting that, we get 2as is equal to v square minus u square, which is the third equation of motion. At last, circular motion. The motion of a body in a circular path is called circular motion. We already studied that. Uniform circular motion. If a body moves in a circular path with a uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion is accelerated motion because in a circular motion, a body continuously changes its direction. So, the circumference of a circle of the radius r is given by 2 pi r. If the body takes time t to go once around that circular path, then the velocity v is given by v is equal to 2 pi r, which is the circumference of the circle, and time rate. So, we get v is equal to 2 pi r upon t.